Hi, this is Antonio. Today, I will introduce Himax HM0360 ultra-low-power image sensor. Himax dedicated in ultra-low-power vision-based AI solution. We provide both ultra-low-power AI processors and ultra-low-power sensors. For our sensors, we hope to provide not only excellent power efficiency without any trade-off at image quality, but also unique features to reduce system latency and overhead. HM0360 is the first one sensor based on such design concept. I will further introduce these features in the following pages. Firstly, I would like to introduce the power consumption of this sensor. In 30 frames per second VGA video mode, the power is less than 9 mW, and it is even less than 5 mW in QVGA video. In low power operation, we provide two different modes, which are auto wake up and sleep mode and the trigger mode. All these modes can be under 1 mW at 2 frames per second. When the sensor is working at 2 Hz motion detection, it only needs 364 microwatts. In previous page, there is the mode called auto wake and sleep. This mode is good to save the power of host controller. The sensor can wake up periodically by itself and sleep automatically after taking the picture. The host processor can sleep between 2 frames, and the sensor can trigger host processor before it is ready to output the image. In this mode, sensor can use embedded oscillator and no need to get master clock from the host processor. If the host processor has real-time clock to wake up itself and sensor from sleep, you can use the trigger mode or say snapshot mode of HM0360. HM0360 can enter deep sleep mode in the beginning. In this condition, only register is in retention and the internal clock is stopped. The power consumption of this sleep mode is under 20 microwatts. HM0360 can capture image immediately once being triggered, and the host controller have to set the sensor into deep sleep mode after image is transferred. For AI detection, a well-exposure image is important. Himax HM0360 pre-metering function allows host controller can get well-exposed image at each wake-up. It will detect the light condition of environment and set correct exposure value for the first image. Comparing with traditional continuous auto exposure, it needs a couple of images to converge. HM0360 will not miss any event whenever it is triggered. Pre-metering can be enabled when every power on, every wake up, or at light change. Himax HM0360 can do motion detection independently without host controller. Combining with auto wake and sleep and the motion detection function, HM0360 can trigger host processor in sleep only when motion happened. Sensor don't output images in this use case to save power. Pre-metering exposure control also turn on to ensure motion can be detected in various light conditions. HM0360 also provides 16 by 15 motion map. Host controller can based on motion map to do further analysis to reduce the computing power requirement. Typically, it needs many register settings for changing the operating mode of sensor. HM0360 provides 2 sets of contexts for different operating modes. Host only need to use one trigger signal to change the mode of HM0360 without sending many settings from I2C. It can reduce the response time when mode change to increase the system efficiency. For example, context A can be motion detection mode and the context B can be VGA video mode. Once any motion happened, HM0360 can wake up host controller and start to stream video to host without extra settings. Here is the summary of specification of HM0360. This sensor is best choice for low-power AI vision detection. You can use this sensor in smart home, smart building, smart city-related applications which use battery-powered. Himax also provides WiseEye low-power AI processors and solutions for this use case. Please contact us if you need such requirement. Thanks for your watching and hope to work with you.